Okay, good day everyone. Again, I'm here, Kuya Germs, to discuss the rule number 3, general definitions. Okay, the word vessel includes every description of watercraft, including non-displacement craft, wing craft, and seaplanes, used or capable of being used as a means of transportation on water. Okay, so when we say vessel, anything that can float on the water and can hold liquid is considered a vessel. For example, yung boats, yung different kind of ships, watercraft, even yung container or yung cup na mayroon tayo. Those were considered na vessels. Why? As what I have said, anything that can float ay ma-considered natin na vessel. Okay. Next, the term power-driven vessel means any vessel propelled by machinery. Okay, for example, this is our vessel and it has machinery inside of the vessel. So it means this is a power-driven vessel kasi meron siyang machines sa loob ng vessel. Yes. Next. And okay, so for power-driven vessel, guys, any kind of vessel na propelled with machinery ay kino-consider natin na PDP or power driven vessel. Okay, next, the term sailing vessel means any vessel under sail provided that propelling machinery if fitted is not being used. So what does it mean? When we say sailing vessel, to propel the vessel, we need strong wind or power of wind, ganun. So, kailangan para makamove yung vessel na yan or yung sailing vessel na yan, kailangan ng sailcloth o yung tela na tinatawag natin. As you can see sa ating PowerPoint, because sailing vessel has no machinery. Wala silang machinery and ang nagpapagana sa kanila or nagpro-propel or nagmo-move is because of the strong wind and yung clothes, even the directions, nakadepende din dyan sa sailcloth or yung tela. Okay? The term vessel engaged in fishing means any vessel fishing with nets, lines, trolls, or other fishing apparatus which restrict maneuverability, but does not include the vessel fishing with trolling lines or other fishing apparatus which do not restrict maneuverability. Okay, when we say vessel engaged in fishing, um, any kinds of vessels with nets, lines, or trolls, and other fishing apparatus is kinokonsidera natin na fishing vessel or engage sila sa fishing. Okay, next. Seaplane. Okay, the word seaplane includes any aircraft designed to maneuver on the water. Okay, this is an example of seaplane. Yan, seaplane. They can maneuver on the air and at the same time they can maneuver on the water or they can pwede silang maglanding sa tubig. Yan. So dual purpose. Yan. So we call this as amphibious aircraft like animals, ganun. So next, the term vessel not under command means a vessel which, through some exceptional circumstance, is unable to maneuver as required by these rules and is therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessel. Okay, vessel not under command. Okay, they are restricted and unable to maneuver because of some circumstances. And here are some reasons. First, a breakdown of engines or steering gear kung bakit hindi sila or why this vessel is not under command because of breakdown ng engines and steering gear. Secondly is the loss of the propeller or the rudder. Next is a sailing vessel become or as long as she does not have an engine. Next, a vessel with her anchor down but not holding. And lastly, exceptional weather conditions, we emphasize here the importance of the adjective. Okay, the term vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver means a vessel which, from the nature of her work, is restricted in her ability to maneuver as required by these rules and is therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessel. Okay, ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver? Okay, so they are restricted maybe because of their nature of their work. Yan. It is one of the reason why the vessel is restricted in her ability to maneuver. And as you can see, may mga lights dyan. It is applicable at night time and shapes for daylight. Okay, or daytime. Okay, here are some reasons why vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver. First, a vessel engaged in the launching or recovery of aircraft. Secondly, is a vessel engaged in mine clearance operations. And lastly, a vessel engaged in a towing operation. Okay, next, the term vessel constrained by her draft means a power-driven vessel which, because of her draft in relation to the available depth and width of navigable water, is severely restricted in her ability to deviate from the course she is following. So, here it is. Yan. Vessel constrained by her draft. Okay. Para siyang na-trap, yung sa depth of waters niya is parang nasa shallow area siya. Kaya restricted siya sa kanyang kanyang abilidad na makapag-maniobra. Okay, so next, the word underway. Okay, what does it mean? Means that a vessel is not at anchor or made fast to the shore or aground. Okay, so ibig sabihin, moving through the water or sa wikang Pilipino para madali natin maintindihan ay lumalayag po yung vessel. Yan. Next, the words length and breadth. Breadth, yes, of a vessel mean her length overall and greatest breadth. Breadth. Okay, so we have LOA or length overall, LPP length between perpendicular, and some ship sizes. Okay, it is still under seamanship. Okay, next, the term restricted visibility means any condition in which visibility is restricted by fog, mist, falling snow, heavy rainstorms, sandstorms, or any other similar causes. Okay, so it means restricted visibility, we cannot sight or we cannot see the other vessel on the ocean. Yan, as you can see, fog over ship, sabi niya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin makita yung other vessels or other objects sa ocean kasi nga restricted visibility or zero visibility. And there are different reasons or causes bakit we cannot sight or see the other vessels because maybe because of the fog, mist, falling snow, heavy rainstorms, sandstorms, or other related or similar causes. Okay. And lastly is the term wing in ground or weak craft. Okay. Means a multimodal craft which in its main operational mode flies in close proximity to the surface by utilizing surface effect action. So they can actually land. They pwede silang maglanding sa ibabaw ng tubig. Yan. So tinatawag natin na wing in ground or weak craft. Okay. Okay, this will be the end of our lesson for this rule number 3. Thank you for listening again and again. Don't hesitate to comment on our comment section if you have additional information or concerns. Don't forget to like as well and share this video. Thank you.